Today, we are going to be talking about several different reactions that take place between different molecules. It may be difficult to understand, which is why I created this quick video to simplify some things. So let's start with the synthesis reaction. A synthesis reaction is a chemical reaction where two or more reactants combine to produce a single compound. It's very important to understand that a synthesis reaction creates one compound, not multiple. It takes the formula A plus B equals AB, where A and B are two elements and AB is a final compound. An example of this is shown below. Oxygen and hydrogen are being synthesized together to create a hydroxide compound. Next, we have a decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction where a single compound breaks down to form two or more elements. This is different from a synthesis reaction because a synthesis reaction creates one compound, but a decomposition reaction creates two elements. A decomposition reaction is the inverse of a synthesis reaction. It takes the formula AB is equal to A plus B, where AB is the compound and A and B are elements. An example of this is shown below. There's a hydroxide compound that is being decomposed into two elements, which are oxygen and hydrogen. Next, we have a single replacement reaction. A single replacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction where one element reacts with a compound and takes the place of one of the elements in that compound. It takes the formula A plus BC equals B plus AC, where A is an external element and BC is a compound. So here you see A can be any random element such as iron, as you can see in the example. A and B are going to swap places to produce B plus AC. In the example below, iron is going to switch places with the copper to make copper on the outside and iron to bond with the sulfate. Next, and lastly, we have a double replacement reaction. A double replacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction where two compounds react. However, this time, the positive ions, which are found in the front of the compound, switch places with each other. It takes the formula AB plus CD equals CB plus AD. So now we see two compounds. So in the first product, or first reactant, we have AB. A is going to switch with C. Therefore, it becomes CB and AD. I color-coded it so it would be easier to visualize. An example of this is shown below, where Na is going to switch with the hydrogen bonding with chlorine, so it makes NaCl and pure hydrogen. I hope you liked the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll be making future videos related to chemistry videos.